So do the spaceman LED light.
I think this is I think the best photo will be the photo of it being used on top of the laptop at nighttime. Not that
That one.
one.
Yeah.
Not probably not that one because that one doesn't show why it's that one. Yes, that one's like, oh, okay, I need it to type. If you use that image,
Yeah.
5.75 out of 10.
Yeah.
And the
Okay.
reasoning, if you want the reasoning, is I think it's a
Yeah.
good product. It's a bit pricey, $20, where people was like,
Yeah.
do I want to spend $20 on this? And at the same
Yeah.
time, it's not something that people see like, oh wow, I need this. This is a game changer. Because a
Yeah.
lot of people have laptops where the keyboard turns on at nighttime.
Oh,
Uh,
okay. Yeah. So they have illuminated keyboards. Okay.
correct.
The hanging pocket. That's obviously I'd have to sort all that out. That's quite confusing. How it's uploaded.
Okay. This would probably be 15 is a pretty good price. Probably this would be maybe like a 5 out of 10. I've seen some of these work, but not many.
Yeah.
I think it's because it's
Yeah.
just too generic, maybe. Um,
Yeah.
Probably be the biggest problem is it's like a two of like it's like selling a couch.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Um, the glow up projector.
So this one I'd rate maybe again maybe like 4 out of 10. And this will be a
Yeah.
different reason. I think one, this has been really saturated. Two, you can sort of like, I
Okay.
think Kmart sells these for like $20, $30 now. Um,
Oh, okay. Yeah.
and I think that would be the main reason. If this was like 2 years ago, this would be like, wow, this is a different
Yeah.
product.
Yeah. The curtain motor.
Yeah, I've actually seen a student sell this. I think it's a bit hard to sell this on a general store, like a store where you sell a bunch of different goods.
Yeah.
Um, and it's pretty pricey, 200. I'd rate
Yeah.
this 5 out of 10.
Okay. Um, the air vent clip.
Oh, interesting.
I
So
just liked it because it's slimline, you know,
yeah, so
and it clips into the air vent.
the first image doesn't give enough information. But let's scroll down if there's any
Yeah.
other information that really show off, any other photos that really show off the product.
Yeah.
Um,
Oh, I picked that image and then I picked the variants,
Got it.
what you order. Yeah.
So this would be
That's,
connected to like an aircon. Is that correct? Or like a heater? Is that how it works?
yeah, clips into your air vent.
Oh,
So that's
airband.
just that, yeah, that's your car air vent. So probably
Oh,
need maybe a bigger shot of the whole car dashboard or something.
oh, so this is for the car. I didn't even
Yeah,
think of that. I was
car.
thinking of like a house. Okay.
No, yeah,
So the problem that I just have is probably
yeah,
going to be a repeated problem with the general population.
yeah.
So if you
Not
were
obvious.
to do like a better photo,
Yeah,
this could be like a 6.5 out of 10 with a better photo.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, better photo.
But as is, maybe like a 3 out of 10 because it's hard to tell what it is.
Yeah,
Oh, that fly toy looks really interesting.
yeah.
Okay. With a
Um,
good video, this would do well. But let's scroll down to see what it does because I'm not too sure what it does. Okay, so if you hand underneath it, it flies.
yeah, I don't know how to do videos yet. I was going to hit you up this afternoon for uploading a video to it
Yeah.
because there is videos on it. Um,
Okay. I like the photo of it with the boy, hands underneath it, the boy playing it
yeah,
with it. That's a good photo.
yeah.
If you use that photo, that's like a solid. How much are you selling it for? 40. Oh, a bit pricey though. I was gonna say like,
It's actually cheap. I've actually like it's cheaper than like the rest like other ones that I've got that are out there.
okay,
But it's a dear toy. Yeah,
yeah, it's a deer. I think that's sort of what I meant. Um,
yeah.
I was gonna say like 6.5 out of 10, but because of the price, maybe 6 out of 10 or 5.75 out of 10.
Okay, so find a better photo for that too. Okay, nearly done. It's like 29 pieces, educational toys, $16.
Probably 3.5 out of 10. I think
Oh,
the
okay.
hot dollar products are pretty hard to sell on Facebook because they just don't have a high perceived value, and also they look like hot dollar products where people are like,
What's that term you're using?
hot dollar store or $1 store.
Oh, yeah, okay.
It has sort of that vibe to it where people are like, I'll just go to my local $1 store to buy these products.
Okay, well, I'll get rid of the other one as well then. Yeah,
But you can keep all these products on your store. No need to take them down. You'll just build up
yeah,
your catalog. But I think this is like a good first batch. I'm glad
yeah,
that you sort of showed it to me because now I can sort of point you in the right direction so you can save money on a majority of
yeah,
these products and not test them to save you some more money.
yeah,
But hopefully those tips would help you with the next batch of products you pick.
yeah. Okay, cool. Thanks.
Awesome. But yeah, great start, Chloe. I'm really happy that you've got the store and everything set up.